Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants using clay. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need polymer clay in shades like light brown, tan, and a touch of yellow for that perfect baked look. Also, grab a craft knife, a small rolling pin, and a texture tool to create realistic details. Ensure your workspace is clean and non-stick, ready for crafting these miniature delights. Now, let's shape our croissants. Roll out your clay into a thin sheet, aiming for about 1.5 millimeters in thickness. Using your craft knife, cut the sheet into triangles, each with a 2-inch base. Carefully roll each triangle from its wide base towards the tip. Once rolled, gently curve the ends of the clay to achieve that iconic croissant crescent shape. To bring your croissants to life, it's time for texture and color. Use your texture tool to gently press and create a flaky, layered look on the surface of your clay croissant. Next, blend a small amount of darker brown clay and apply it subtly to the edges, mimicking a perfectly baked crust. Finish with a thin wash of yellow clay for a warm, golden glow. Finally, it's time to bake and finish your clay croissants. Carefully place your creations on a baking sheet and bake them according to the specific instructions on your polymer clay package. Once baked, let them cool completely. For a truly realistic touch, apply a clear glaze to give your miniature croissants a subtle, appetizing sheen, making them look fresh from the oven.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.